Kaizer Chiefs, Amakhosi Amahle will be playing this Friday, and I'm excited to see how will the coaches line up. But in this video, I'll be predicting my starting lineup, and you can also predict your starting lineup by commenting down below. So make sure you watch the whole video, react to the video, and let's jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. Bafowethu namhlanje nginiphathele zona zishisa pe. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also do drop your comments down below. Bafowethu Kaizer Chiefs iqeda ukudlala neSimba kwi-CAF Confederation Cup, and they are through to the group stages. So I'll be predicting the starting lineup of Kaizer Chiefs versus Durban City, which will be the slightly different match from the Simba game, given the competition, the structure of the game and all. So I'll be predicting the starting lineup and also the injuries that Kaizer Chiefs have. So Bafethu, we all know that some players are not fit to be starting, at least to be starting the match, and others are not even fit to be even featured in the game, even on the bench. So this is my starting lineup, starting with goalkeeper. An obvious, it's just an obvious option. Brendan Peterson should start the game. I know the technical team coaches bazofuna ukwenza i-rotation, but I don't think they will want to rotate Brendan Peterson. Let's go to our right back. Our right back, I was impressed. I am impressed by Solomon's performance because he's been performing. Leli thuba bamnikeze lona ulithathile waligrabha ngezandla zombili, and he's using it. He knows ukuthi there's umonyane. If he's fit to play, he will come back and take his position. So Dylan Solomon is doing a good job. I think this is the best Dylan Solomon we've seen so far at Kaizer Chiefs since efikile with team at Kaizer Chiefs. So I am glad ukuthi he's performing that way he's been performing. Our left back, of course, Umlungu onoshukela bafethu, Bradley Cross. He'll be starting on that position, and I'm sure that position is secured. But we all know ukuthi there's always Umarco and Ushinga who can also come in and play in that position if they are fit or available for the match. Let's see what the coaches will do. Maybe they will try to rotate the squad because the jet lag, jet fatigue, but they didn't travel this week. They were playing here in South Africa, so it's all up to the coaches. My centre back pairing, since Miguel is injured, and those Msimango and Dudley we know about. So obviously Uzitha Kwinika will start paired with Eden McCarthy. That's the only two centre back that are coming on my mind that I can think of that Kaizer Chiefs can start them. But unless they want to rotate the squad, they can also put in someone else. I don't know who, but Gary was Kaizer Chiefs. My defensive centre mid, my defensive midfielder, man. What's the centre mid? Yeah, my defensive midfielder, it will have to be Ox Umthetho bafethu. Let's take nothing away from Ox. Let's appreciate players when they are doing well. siyazi ukuthi he has in speed doing well last season or last season I think, and we were angry as Kaizer Chiefs fans. We were starting to lose hope on him. Luckily, we changed the coaching staff and he started delivering. And this season, akabukeki njengomuntu impela ozokwehlisa iform noma inini. So I think that DM Sports is secured by Usibongiseni Mthethwa. But the coaches can also rotate the squad because they want to save the players from injuries and they want to rest some players. And on the number 8 position, the player that has been linking with Umthethwa, that has been playing well with Umthethwa, I think Nkosini Ngcobo has been performing and he's also improved. I really love that man because akasesiyena uBoy manje useshadile, he's a man. So this guy has been performing, guys. Don't sleep on him. Nimbuke futhi nana kule game le. Ngizombona ukuthi if eqalile igame uzombona ukuthi how he performs. He might not give us any assist or goals or anything, but the work that he's putting in the midfield together with Usibongiseni Mthethwa is exceptional. With our attacking midfield, obviously our star boy Mduduzi Shabalala have to start this match to gain more confidence, to grow. Yeah, there's no other reason unless they want to rotate. But Mduduzi Shabalala will start left wing. Pule Mode should start because Lebo is injured and we won't want to risk the injury of Lilebo ukuthi ikhule ibe nkulu. Just rest him. Ebuye mase kuthiwa right, even uMayo, rest him engadlali if he is not 100% fit to play the game. Vilakazi will be starting at the right wing. Fundo Vilakazi, Obrigado, we know, and I feel like in this game we'll need the moment of magic. We'll need the moment of brilliant. There's one player who will take on defenders and shoot. Maybe the striker will be there to finish it off. I think this is the kind of game that will need individual brilliance. And talking about the individual brilliance, our striker, our main man, the black Samir Nukovic. It's yours, God's power, Igodaru. He will be starting this match also to gain the momentum, start generating goals back to back, and I hope Silva will be on the bench to sub him off when the subs are needed. And also the new guys, bafethu akekho umuntu engikhalela ukumbona edlala njengo-Etienne Chislett. So let's hope in this match uzobe khona ebenchini and uzothola ama-minutes ambalwa ukuthi edlale. Bafethu, this was my predicted starting lineup of the Kaizer Chiefs versus Durban City. You can also predict your starting lineup. Judge Bafethu. This is how I think Kaizer Chiefs will line up against the Durban City. So make sure to drop your starting lineup in the comment, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Bafethu, please, I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel. Till I see you on another video. Thank you.